morning. It's 5 a.m. Yeah, why am I going at 5 a.m? Am I going to an airport? No, I'm going on a day trip to see the floating villages of the Mekong Delta. Not quite sure why it starts so early. I haven't had breakfast yet, but I'm awake, mostly. So tempted to go back to sleep, but today I take you to go and see the floating villages, oh, the floating markets. Oh dear. Maybe I'll do this a bit wetter when I'm awake. And it's just before dawn. It's quite beautiful. Now we've got away from the actual city. Sun will be coming up soon. Oh, and we're engined. Here we go. Good morning and welcome to the floating market on Can Tho. Sun is just coming up. I still haven't had coffee, but we're on the river. We've been going for about half an hour, chugging along. Haven't found any coffee or anything to eat yet. But this seems to be sort of like the big scale market where a lot of the boats are completely laden with fruit and vegetables, mostly pineapples, and this seems to be. And they seem to be unloading the big boats onto other boats to take it further down. So I guess it goes down the river in stages, and slowly they unload from the bigger boat to the smaller boat to the smaller boat, or maybe the other way around, I don't know. And now we're getting into cooking. That's good because I can do with some breakfast. On in the little boats here with tea and coffee in. And then bigger boats full of watermelons. Oh, and back to pineapples again. Oh, this one's already half stocked up with pineapples. Look like he's going to get onto watermelons next. And I'm very lucky. We're approaching my breakfast point. Should be this lady here. Breakfast. Oh, that's my breakfast. sun is up. I managed to fly the drone and crash the drone landing. Had real difficulty landing it on a moving boat with the sensors. Now we're going to... I don't know where we're going to. Yeah, and we've stopped off to see rice noodles being made. These ladies are making it very efficiently. You got the rice husks here, being heated up and melted, which goes into there, making this liquid, which goes onto there. There you go, look. Goes on just for like a minute.
Rice.
Yeah, right.
Same.
Okay.
Same. No. This? Same.
No.
Okay, just the side. This. And this? Water, no?
And laid out all these racks of rice. Next layer ready. These are rice noodles. Back out onto the river. So we went, first of all we went to like the bulk market where there were some big boats, completely crammed, mostly with watermelon and pineapple. Then we went down a little side stream where there was souvenir selling, showing how to make rice noodles, and picked up coffee, which at 15,000 dong, I can't remember if they decided if that's expensive or not. I'll get back to you on that one. But it's nice, powerful coffee. It's beautiful on the river. We also seem to have got rid of a lot of the tourists at this point. Around obviously the big, floating market. That was like the floating wholesale market. There was a lot of tourists, but now we've come away from that. It's a bit calmer, quieter, beautiful breeze. I was cool this morning, not cold. Now I can feel the heat of the sun. I'm already starting to get warm, but it's nice to have this breeze on the river and no boats around.
Yo, Milo!
I'm doing a walking bit of my boat tour. So we've been to the big market, been to a slightly smaller floating market, had a cup of coffee. Now we've sort of been dropped off from walking beside the river through a village or something, I'm not sure. But, boatman dropped me off just there. He's tugging along the river there on his way up, and instructions to walk this way. So I have absolutely no idea what's up here, but it's a beautiful day. It's very relaxing. Let's show you what we're doing, since I really have no idea what it is. village walk.